Hey, what's up everyone and welcome back to another episode of Wild Game Cooking with Second Habit Outdoors. On this week's episode, we're going to be showing you how to make a delicious appetizer, Walleye Hot Dip. What you're going to need for this is walleye, or any other whitefish meat, 1 white onion, 4 tablespoons of butter, green onion, shredded cheddar cheese, fresh garlic, cream cheese, panko crumbs, mayo, and 1 lemon.
Next, in a pan on a medium heat, melt 2 tablespoons of butter. Start by adding in your diced onion. Add in your walleye fillets throughout the pan so that they all get heat. Continue to cook the walleye until it flakes easily apart. Usually, this will take a couple minutes. Use a spatula to break apart the walleye into small pieces and then set aside. In a medium bowl, add your cup of shredded cheese, 1 cup of sour cream, and 4 ounces of cream cheese. Using a spatula, mix everything together well. Next, add 1/4 cup of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of your favorite seafood seasoning, a 1/4 cup of green onion, a 1/4 cup of parsley, and finally 2 tablespoons of your favorite hot sauce. Again, stir everything together well. Using a 9x9 glass baking dish, press in the cheese mixture. Next, spread the walleye and onion mixture evenly on top. Finally, top with 1 cup of panko crumbs. Place in the oven at 350 degrees and bake for 25 minutes, then you'll be ready to enjoy. Thanks for checking out the video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe in the top left, or check out more wild game cooking on the right.